Pinterest. Pinterest. Crazy great looking alternative way to search the internet for things, in my opinion. Pinterest, it's a visual discovery engine is what they're calling it.
That's an interesting terminology, yes.
For finding ideas like recipes, home style, inspiration, craft, lots and lots of crazy things. It works on the idea of pin-up boards. So you go out into the wide world and you go, I like that DIY project on a bookcase. So you click on it and you add it to your board called DIY, Tony's DIY, for example. And then you might find something else and you add that to that board. You might find a cooking thing that you particularly like, a recipe, and you stick that at that board. So then you create this kind of like a set of cards, if you like, on your pin-up board, and then you can share that board with other people, or you can share other people's boards. So you might find another board where somebody else has something that's interesting, and you can have a look at all of that stuff through there. It's a really great way to share information without actually having to go to Google and search for these things. It's a great way to, and over time you can build up quite a repository of stuff. Have you ever used it, Kay?
Look, I haven't used it very much. I've come across it every now and again, but I'm actually smiling because I know that Miranda is frantically making notes here. And you said if you actually, it's kind of, based on a number of boards. This is what Miranda's home looks like. Yeah, right. She's old school. She's got all the boards up, and she's got all the different articles and all the reference material for the book and pictures and everything all up on all these different boards, and that's the whole house.
But this is a visual representation, which is fantastic. And it's like scrolling through a photo album.
Yeah.
And you tap, and each one of these pins, they call them pins, will take you to a link to its original source. So you can go back and clarify and verify and add more information, and then you can use that to search. If you use this with Google Lens as well, you can go crazy with the AI stuff and find more and more things through there. But look, it's a free app. You need to create an account to log in, but whatever, it's not a big deal, and you can really, really get some inspiration for some things.
It's really clever with sharing your concept ideas with somebody. So if you're going to say, let's build a granny flat, for example, then you could say to somebody else who's involved, these are all the little pictures of things that I kind of like, and you can log on to my Pinterest page to have a look at what it is. Yeah,
if you're thinking of redesigning a room, and you're looking for ideas,
colour schemes.
It's just completely up to you what you want to search for, and it comes up with this stuff that other people have already searched for. It's not a Google going out and sending bots to find stuff. It's about what other people have found and find precious and have put into these boards, which is a really cool thing.
Okay. Making life easier using